Hello, my lovely kindergarten friends. Welcome back to math. Today we have a game to play, and it's called Attribute Block Dominoes. Yes! Now, what do we know about dominoes? What do we like to do with them? I like to line my dominoes up, right? Put them in a train and then knock them down, right? So today we're going to line some blocks up, but there's going to be a special rule, okay? I can only attach a block to another one if they share something that's the same about them. Okay, so I'm gonna play with a pretend partner. My partner's name is Sally, and you can't see Sally, but she's here, and Sally is going to go first. So the first block that Sally chose was this block right here. Now, I want you to think of a word that describes this block. Think really hard. Okay. Now, is your word a color? Is your word a shape? Is your word a size? What word did you choose? The first thing that I think of is the shape. It's a circle. That's right. This is a circle. It's also a yellow circle. And I'm going to hold it up and let you see. It's a very thin yellow circle, almost like a potato chip. I love potato chips. So this is what Sally chose. Now, Sally chose this. Now, I'm going to choose a block that has something that's the same. It matches this somehow. Are you ready? You ready for my block? This is my block that I chose. Now, Sally is thinking, that's not a circle. That doesn't match my block. Ah, but what's the same? It's yellow, just like my circle. That's right. So my secret code was yellow. Now Sally is looking at this block. Let's look at this one. This is yellow. I'm going to lift it up and let you see how thin or thick it is. It's pretty thin, right? And what shape is this? It's a rectangle, that's right. So now Sally has to find a block that matches mine. Are you ready to see what Sally chose? Wait a minute. Sally, you can't put that there. It's not the same color. Oh, how does this block that Sally chose match my block? It's a rectangle. That's right, they're the same shape. Also, I want to show you, also the same size, right? Very good. All right, now it's my turn. Let's look at this block. It's a rectangle. It's a blue rectangle, and it's a little thick, isn't it? All right, here we go. Are you ready for my block? My block that matches is this one. Ooh, how does this block match this block? And I'm going to hold them like this. They're both thick. That's right, they're both thick. They're not the same color, they're not the same shape, and they're not the same size, but they are the same width. They're both thick, all right? So today, you're going to play this with a partner, and you're going to see how long your train can get. And remember, every time you put a new block on, it's your job to see how they match each other, okay? And if your blocks match each other in a certain way, then it's your partner's turn, and then you have to guess why they chose that block to match your block, okay? So, happy Domino Day.